Let's begin. Install VirtualBox. At first, open your favorite browser. Then you search VirtualBox. I search from Google VirtualBox. Then this is first website, Oracle VirtualBox. There are a lot of websites, but you will go this website, virtualbox.org. So click here the download. Select your operating system. I use Windows, so I click this Windows host. Here is automatically download start. After download complete, go to download folder. Simply double click or right button click open. See a pop-up. Do you allow this install? Press yes. Next, I accept terms and license. Next, you need to change it. Next, and yes. Next, and install. Finish. So here is the open, and you see the desktop shortcut icon. You click VirtualBox, and here is the VirtualBox. So that's it. So you need any VM like type Linux PC. This is my VM. Here I created virtual machine. That's it. Stay tuned this channel how to fix. Next video I will show you how to install Ubuntu in virtual machine. For next update, subscribe my channel, and you can share your opinion by comment. Thank you.